In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your GoDaddy website builder site. If you want your website to look more professional and easier to remember, using a custom domain is one of the best upgrades you can make. Instead of keeping the default website address with the built-in extension, you can replace it with your own domain name so visitors see a cleaner branded web address. To get started, the first thing you need to do is purchase a custom domain name from GoDaddy or another domain registrar. This is the web address you want people to type in when they visit your site. When choosing a domain, try to pick something short, relevant to your brand or business, and easy to spell. Once the domain has been purchased and is active in your account, you're ready to connect it to your website. Next, open GoDaddy Website Builder and go to your site dashboard. From there, find the settings area, then select domain. This is where you manage the web address connected to your website. If you already own the domain you want to use, choose the option that says you already own a domain, then select your custom domain from the available choices. At this stage, you're essentially telling Website Builder that you want this specific domain to become the main address for your site. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you own more than one domain. Taking an extra moment here can help avoid confusion later. Once your custom domain is selected, click Publish. This is the step that applies the change and replaces the default address ending with the built-in website extension. After publishing, your site will begin using your custom domain instead. Keep in mind that domain changes can sometimes take a little time to fully update across the internet. In some cases, the new domain may work almost immediately, while in others, it may take a bit longer before it appears everywhere correctly. That's normal, so don't worry if the change is not instant. And that's it. By purchasing a custom domain, selecting it inside the domain settings in GoDaddy Website Builder, and publishing your site, you can replace the default URL with a more polished and professional web address. This small change can make a big difference in how your website looks and how people remember it.